Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Rio's Easy English, the podcast where you learn real English for real conversations. I'm Rio.
And I'm Ravon. Have you ever listened to native English speakers and thought, wow, they don't sound like they're speaking from a textbook?
Exactly. Most English learners know grammar. They know thousands of words. But when they speak, their English sounds a little unnatural. Why? Because they learn vocabulary, not expressions.
Native speakers don't usually say the most basic sentence. Instead, they use natural expressions that make their English sound fluent, confident, and effortless. So today, we're going to learn 50 advanced English sentences that native speakers use in everyday conversations. And don't just listen. Repeat after us. Think about when you could use each expression in your own life. Ready? Let's get started.
Expression 1. That's easier said than done. Imagine your friend says, "Just stop worrying." Well, that's easier said than done. It means something sounds simple, but it's actually difficult.
Expression 2. I couldn't agree more. If someone says, reading every day improves your English, you can reply, I couldn't agree more. It means you completely agree.
Expression 3. That's a fair point. Even if you don't fully agree, you can acknowledge someone's opinion. That's a fair point. Very polite, very natural.
Expression 4. I see where you're coming from. This doesn't mean you agree. It means I understand your perspective. Native speakers use this all the time.
Expression 5. You took the words right out of my mouth. Imagine you're thinking, this coffee is amazing. Before you speak, your friend says exactly the same thing. You smile and say, you took the words right out of my mouth.
Expression 6. To be perfectly honest. This expression prepares someone for your honest opinion. To be perfectly honest, I didn't enjoy the movie.
Expression 7. I have mixed feelings about it. Maybe you like your new job, but it's stressful. You can say, I have mixed feelings about it.
Expression 8. It depends. Native speakers love this phrase. What's the best country to visit? It depends. Simple, natural, flexible.
Expression 9. I hadn't thought of it that way. Someone gives you a new perspective. Instead of saying, you're right, say, I hadn't thought of it that way.
Expression 10. That makes perfect sense. A much stronger alternative to okay.
Expression 11. I'll keep that in mind. Someone gives you advice. You reply, I'll keep that in mind. Meaning, I'll remember it.
Expression 12. For what it's worth, I think you made the right decision. A gentle way to give advice.
Expression 13. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I like the restaurant. I just think it's too expensive.
Expression 14. I can't help but wonder. I can't help but wonder. What would happen if everyone spoke English fluently?
Expression 15. It's not the end of the world. You made a mistake. Relax. It's not the end of the world.
Expression 16. Things could be worse. A positive way to look at a difficult situation.
Expression 17. Let's not jump to conclusions. Don't decide too quickly. Wait for the facts. Expression 18. I'm just thinking out loud. You're sharing ideas, not making a final decision.
Expression 19. That's beside the point. You're discussing one topic. Someone changes the subject. You say, that's beside the point.
Expression 20. We're getting off topic. Time to return to the original conversation.
Expression 21. I'll take your word for it. Meaning, I trust what you're saying.
Expression 22. I'm all ears. Meaning, I'm listening carefully.
Expression 23. I owe you one. Meaning, thank you. I'll return the favor.
Expression 24. No hard feelings. Meaning, let's stay friends.
Expression 25. I wouldn't count on it. Meaning, don't expect it to happen.
Expression 26. That caught me off guard. Meaning, it surprised me.
Expression 27. That came out of nowhere. Meaning, it happened unexpectedly.
Expression 28. It's only a matter of time. Meaning, it will happen eventually.
Expression 29. Every cloud has a silver lining. Meaning, every difficult situation has something positive.
Expression 30. Actions speak louder than words. Meaning, what people do matters more than what they say.
Expression 31. Rome wasn't built in a day. Success takes time.
Expression 32. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you become.
Expression 33. At the end of the day. Used before your final opinion.
Expression 34. That's a win-win situation. Means everyone benefits.
Expression 35. I'm on the same page. Means we agree.
Expression 36. Let's call it a day. Means let's stop working.
Expression 37. It's worth a shot. Meaning, it's worth trying.
Expression 38. Better safe than sorry. Means be careful.
Expression 39. Long time no see. Used when meeting someone after a long time.
Expression 40. Speak of the devil. Means someone appears just after you mention them.
Expression 41. The ball is in your court. Meaning, now it's your decision.
Expression 42. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Meaning, don't depend on only one thing.
Expression 43. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Means, deal with the problem later.
Expression 44. It's a blessing in disguise. Meaning, something that seems bad but becomes good.
Expression 45. Time flies. Means, time passes quickly.
Expression 46. Better late than never means it's better to do something late than not at all.
Expression 47. You nailed it. Means, you did it perfectly.
Expression 48. That rings a bell. Means it sounds familiar.
Expression 49. I'm afraid not. Means a polite way to say no.
Expression 50. Let's agree to disagree. Means we have different opinions, and that's okay. Those were 50 advanced English expressions that can make your English sound much more natural and confident.
Remember, fluency isn't about using difficult words. It's about using the right expressions at the right time. Choose 5 expressions from today's episode and try to use them in your conversations this week.
The more you use them, the more naturally they'll become part of your English. Thanks for listening to Rio's Easy English. We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English with confidence.